I just wanted to show you how to generate citations from within the library databases. So you go here to do your research for background readings. I'm just going to put in search term. Oops. And click on the first result so I can show. You just click on these little quotation marks here to get your MLA 8th edition citation, copy and paste it. Okay, so I'm going to back out of here and go to, because they're all different, CQ Researcher Online. Here you do it right here, Cite Now. And don't forget to always get the MLA citation. So choose there. And you just copy and paste it. And then we'll quickly, no, I don't want to go to EBSCOhost and Gale databases because those are the ones I told you guys to use. So in EBSCOhost, it's right here, Cite. And again, be sure to choose the MLA. You have to scroll down just a little for this one. It's right here. Copy and paste. And then finally, for Gale databases. Anyway, I think you get the idea, but I just want to make sure because I noticed that a lot of you didn't have citations in your annotated bibliographies. All right, it's right here. All right.